Hello, welcome to this new HostiFi video. So it's a very short video to discuss how to contact HostiFi if you need any support. So we've got a knowledge-based article discussing how to get in contact with us. We've got live chat, we've got email, and we've got phone. Phone numbers here. You can call us during these time zones and then time periods. We've got email at support@hostify.com, and then anywhere on the HostiFi website. This is the HostiFi main website or the support center. We've also got live chat through intercom. So the blue button here, you can get in contact with one of the team if you need any help. We've also got a very quick link to the status page. I'll show you what status our servers are in. So if there's a problem, you can check before contacting us. As ever, I'll put this link in the video description so you can get a look at our opening hours. As I said, just a very quick video to show you how to get in touch with HostiFi. Okay, thank you so much for watching.